Hello, Peter. Yes, darling. Why did you call me?
Sorry, I'm the one who called. I think my dad is in pain.
Okay. So, how much pain do you have, Peter?
My dad has a 7 out of 10 pain.
Sorry, darling. Are you the patient? Is your father deaf or mute?
Oh, he's
No?
not.
Okay, so let your father talk. He can talk. How much pain do you have, Peter?
I'm actually a nurse.
Oh, you're a nurse. Oh, why don't you take a shift with us? We're short staffed today.
Hey, Marites. Can you
What's
take an
that?
overtime shift tonight?
Do you wanna feed my kids at home? Okay, so you know the answer.
Hey, I'm gonna give you a verbal order.
Well, hello. Good morning. You want to give me a verbal order?
That's
okay,
right.
No problem. Let me know when you put that in the computer. Thank you.
I need you guys to prioritize writing on the whiteboard, please.
Tina, I'm sorry, but how about you guys try to prioritize hiring more people? So there's people writing on the whiteboard. There's not enough people in this unit to write on the whiteboard. Thank you.